Hee, I love my bike. I wish there was a racetrack here. Oh, we can help with that. Together, we can build one. Rubble and crew. Ta-da! Is that it? Oh, wow! Nice! Can I try it? Whee! Oh, is that it? We need a bigger racetrack than that. Okay. How's that? Now, 2 cars can jump off the ramp. Yeah, and we can see who goes the farthest. Oh yeah, let's ask the other pups if they want to race too. Yeah! We have our competitors. They'll jump 2 at a time, and whoever goes the farthest goes through to the next round. Everest versus Rex up first.
Ready, go!
Oh, they both only just made it over. Everest went farther, so she's into the next round, and Rex is out. Wild versus Marshall.
Ready, go!
Marshall jumped very well, so he's through, and Wild is out. Ryder versus Chase.
Ready, go!
Wow, look at Ryder go! Impressive! He went much farther, so Chase is out. Zuma versus Sky.
Ready, go!
Sky only just made it, so Zuma wins. Unlucky Sky. Rocky versus Tracker.
Ready, go!
Wow, 2 very impressive jumps there. Rocky is ahead, so sorry Tracker, you're out. And Sweetie versus... no one?
Why don't you race, Rubble?
I'm a judge, it wouldn't be fair.
I can race. Me, Rockstar Funling.
So it's Sweetie versus Rockstar Funling.
Ready, go!
Sweetie went really far. Look how much farther she went. Well done, so you go through. And you're already out, Rockstar Funling.
Oh well, that was fun.
So these are the winners of that round. Let's change things up a bit. There. We'll still see who goes the farthest, but now there's a wall of cargo in the way. Everest versus Marshall.
Ready, go!
Everest wins. Marshall rolled back. Ryder versus Zuma.
Ready, go!
Zuma didn't reach the cargo wall, so Ryder wins. You're out, Zuma. And Rocky versus Sweetie.
Ready, go!
They both reached the wall, but Rocky went farther, so he's into the next round, and Sweetie is out. So, we have our final 3. Let's change things again. I'll add 1 cargo block and 1 bowling pin. To reach the next round, they'll jump 1 at a time, and all they have to do is knock over the pin. Everest up first.
Ready, go!
Yes, she did it! So you're into the next round. Here's Ryder.
Ready, go!
Oh no, he jumped over the pin. So you're out. And Rocky. If he misses, Everest wins.
Ready, go!
And he's done it! Well done! So you're into the next round too. So we have our finalists, Everest and Rocky. Whoever jumps the farthest wins. Who will be today's champion?
Ready, go!
Everest has bounced farther forward, and it looks like she has gone the farthest. So today's winner is... Everest! Well done! You are today's champions.